In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wise Finance app on mobile phone. Whether you're on Android or iOS, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your phone's official app store. If you're using an Android device, that's the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, it's the App Store. You'll usually find the store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Make sure you're connected to the internet, ideally over Wi-Fi if you want to save mobile data. Opening the correct store matters because it ensures you're getting the legitimate app reviewed and vetted by the platform. Once the store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap it and type the word WISE. Keep it simple, just the single word. The app you're looking for is the Wise Finance app, previously known as TransferWise, and it typically features a clean, modern green logo. When the results appear, take a quick moment to make sure you found the official listing. Check that the name is simply Wise, that it has a strong rating and plenty of downloads, and that it's published by the official company. These cues help you avoid lookalike apps and make sure you're installing the right one for secure money management. When you've located the correct app, tap the button to start the download. On Android, the button will say Install. On iPhone, the button usually says Get, and then it may prompt you to confirm the download. You might be asked to authenticate with your device's standard method before the download begins. That's normal and helps keep your device secure. After you tap to install, you'll see the download progress begin. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. While it's downloading, avoid closing the store or turning off your device. If you're low on storage, your phone may alert you so you can free up space and try again. Once the installation finishes, the Wise icon will appear on your home screen or in your app list ready to use. If you searched correctly but didn't see the app, double check your spelling and make sure your device's region settings support the app. That's it. Open your app store, search for Wise, and tap to install. You're now set to manage your money from your mobile phone with a trusted finance app. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new download.